Okay, everyone. Do not pull fire alarms in public buildings without a fire or without authorization. Do not do that. Do not do the same thing that this stupid person did in my school yesterday. Please do not pull fire alarms without a fire or without authorization. If you do that, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined, and you are going to get arrested, and you are responsible for someone's death somewhere else because the fire department couldn't go to the real emergency because they had to come to your false call that you made. Not good. This is why pull stations need stoppers, because it reduces the amount of false fire alarms pulled every year. Bye.